There are many questions that content creators are asking about YouTube channel monetization. And I know you're also asking the same questions, and this is why I'm coming out with this video. I'm going to give you answers to all these questions, and this is why you need to watch this video to the end in order to get full understanding, in order to get answers to all these questions that creators are asking. So without wasting much of your time, I think it's time for us to start. You're welcome. Okay, my name is Isaac, and I will be taking you through all these questions. I will be giving you answers to this question. So, without wasting much of your time, I got my pen here. So, let's start. So, first question is that can I monetize my channel if my channel has a community strike or a warning? Okay, that's a nice question. So, for us to go straight to answer this question, before we start, what is a community guidelines? What is a community guidelines? So, in YouTube, a community guidelines refers to the set of rules and regulations which is being set by YouTube for creators. Okay, you just need to follow these rules and regulations whenever you are posting or uploading a video. By going contrary to these videos, then you get a warning. YouTube also know that people can make mistakes. So if you go contrary to the rules and regulations for the first time, in your first mistake, you will be given a warning, and this warning will be on your channel for a long time. But with this warning, you can monetize your channel. So if you have met the requirement and you have a warning, you can still apply for monetization. Okay, that's good. But if you have a strike, oh, I'm sorry, you have a strike, then you can't monetize your channel. Your strike will be on your channel for 90 days. That's huge. Just have to wait for 90 days before the strike expires. Then that you can apply for YouTube monetization. Okay, so you just have to be careful whenever you are posting a new video. Let's move to our question number 2. Do I need to complete 1K subscribers in 365 days or 12 months? What is this? The answer is no. Getting subscribers has no time limit. Okay, so you can complete it in a week, month's time, in a year, or 2 years, or depends on when and how you get your subscribers. So you just have to do hard work in order to get it earlier. Okay, but there is no time limit to this. That's good for us. Let's move on to our next question. Can I monetize my channel if my country is not in the YouTube partner program? What is this? I'm sorry. I don't know. But for now, what I can say is that you can do it. Yes, you can. You can't make money on YouTube through YouTube partner program, but still you can still make money on YouTube. Through your cooperation, through affiliation, so you can still get money. But be careful. You don't have to do this. You don't have to trick YouTube by changing your country, because they will find out and they might be taking away your channel. So I don't think you can monetize your channel if YouTube partner program country list, your country is not part of them. Okay, all right. Okay, the next question that most people are asking is this question: public watch hours. Someone asked, do I have to start all over if I am not able to complete public watch hours in 365 days or in 12 months? Charlie, it's not easy, but the truth is that you don't have to start a fresh YouTube channel, but you can still use the YouTube channel that you're using. Okay, getting 4,000 public watch hours. This is how YouTube works. It counted is daily. Daily. So if you started YouTube in the year maybe 2021, and we're in 2022, but still you haven't made the requirements, every day they will count it as 365 days. So keep on uploading more videos. You get to there, so don't worry that you didn't get your 4,000 public watch hour in a year and your channel is not going to monetize. No, it's going to still monetize. Just keep on doing the hard work. I hope I have been able to help you clear your mind on these questions for you to get more video from this channel. I am pleading with you, just subscribe to the channel, like my video, give me thumbs up, and share my video. See you in the next video.